Here's how to resolve the try searching to get started notification on YouTube's homepage. If you encounter this issue, follow these steps to eliminate it completely. To begin with, this notification might appear due to two main reasons: clearing your YouTube watch history or using incognito mode. When you normally open the YouTube app, it suggests videos based on your watch or search history. You can check your history by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, then navigating to Settings, Manage All History. From there, you can delete your YouTube history based on a selected time range, wiping out both watch and search history simultaneously. Once cleared, if you return to the home page and refresh, you'll likely see the notification. However, fixing this is simple. This notification isn't negative, it's a new feature by YouTube to tailor recommendations to your interests, rather than random suggestions. To resolve it, search for a YouTube channel or video you want recommendations from, watch a few seconds of it, exit the app, then reopen it. Upon reopening, refresh the homepage once or twice, and your new recommendations should appear. Thank you for watching. For further questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.